Imagine a world where physical money becomes a thing of the past. Can you picture it? It's a world not too distant from our own. Our journey with money has been a long, winding one, from the days of bartering goods and services, to the creation of coins and paper currency, right up to the dawn of digital transactions. But as we look to the horizon, another revolution is brewing. It's a shift that promises to redefine our understanding of money, to transform our transactions, to revolutionize our economy. This is the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security, is the newest player in the financial field. It's not just a buzzword, it's a whole new way of thinking about and interacting with money. Welcome to the future, where cryptocurrency is set to redefine the concept of money. Get ready to unlock the secrets to cryptocurrency success. So what exactly is this cryptocurrency that's causing such a stir? You've probably heard the word tossed around in conversation, or seen it splashed across headlines. Cryptocurrency, a term that seems to be on everyone's lips. But what does it mean? Well, let's break it down. The prefix crypto comes from the Greek word kryptos, meaning hidden or secret. Combine this with currency and you get cryptocurrency, a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. So in essence, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual money, but it's not your average dollar or euro. Cryptocurrency is created through a process called mining. Now don't imagine people in hard hats with pickaxes, because this isn't that kind of mining. Cryptocurrency mining involves computers solving complex mathematical problems. When these problems are solved, new cryptocurrency coins are brought into existence. It's a bit like striking gold, but in the digital realm. And here's the real kicker. Cryptocurrency operates on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger of all transactions across a peer-to-peer network. This means that no single entity, like a bank or government, has control over the cryptocurrency. Instead, control is distributed among a network of computers, or nodes. This decentralization is one of the key features that sets cryptocurrency apart from traditional forms of money. Now, you might be wondering, why go to all this trouble for digital money? Well, one of the main attractions of cryptocurrency is its potential to provide secure, anonymous transactions. Since it's decentralized, it's also resistant to control or manipulation by governments or big corporations. It's a new form of money for the internet age, a tool that might just change the way we think about and use money. Cryptocurrency, in essence, is digital money designed for the internet age. It's a complex and fascinating world, and we're just scratching the surface. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deeper into the mechanics of cryptocurrency in our next segment. Now that we know what cryptocurrency is, how does it work? Well, the magic behind cryptocurrency is a technology known as the blockchain. Picture a digital ledger, open for anyone to see but incredibly secure. Each transaction made with a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, is recorded on this ledger, creating a long chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Here's how a typical transaction unfolds. Let's say Alice wants to send some Bitcoin to Bob. Alice initiates the transaction, which then gets bundled with other transactions into a block. This block is like a digital box of transactions waiting to be verified. Verification is where the magic really happens. Cryptocurrency miners, not people with pickaxes but powerful computers, compete to solve a complex mathematical problem. The first one to crack it gets to add the block of transactions to the blockchain. This process is known as proof of work, and it's the reason why cryptocurrency is so secure. It's also why mining cryptocurrency requires so much energy. Once the block is added to the blockchain, the transaction is complete. Bob now has his Bitcoin, and the world can see that the transaction happened. But don't worry about privacy. While the transaction is visible, the identities of Alice and Bob are obscured, represented only by their digital wallet addresses. What's fascinating is that once a block is added to the blockchain, it's practically impossible to alter or delete. This immutability provides a transparent and trustworthy record of all transactions. Imagine a world where financial transactions are open, transparent, and free from meddling. That's the promise of blockchain technology. The beauty of this system is that it operates without a central authority. No banks or governments pull the strings. It's a peer-to-peer system, powered by consensus and cryptography. This decentralization is what sets cryptocurrency apart from traditional currency. It's a new frontier in the world of finance. a system that puts power back into the hands of the people. The blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrency, ensuring transparency and security. Like every innovation, cryptocurrency has its upsides and downsides. What are they? Let's dive into the advantages first. Cryptocurrency offers an unprecedented level of privacy. Transactions are pseudonymous, meaning they are tied to digital addresses rather than personal identities. This can be a boon for those who value their privacy, or individuals living under authoritarian regimes who wish to avoid financial surveillance. Another advantage is the speed and affordability of transactions. Traditional banking systems and online money transfers usually take time and involve fees and exchange costs. Cryptocurrencies may minimize these costs and could even eliminate them entirely. This is particularly beneficial for people sending money across international borders. One of the most significant benefits, however, is decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized platforms. There is no central regulatory body, no central bank, and no single point of failure. This means that cryptocurrencies are immune to government interference and manipulation. But let's not gloss over the downsides. One of the most notable is volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly in a very short time. This instability can result in significant financial loss. While some see this volatility as an exciting opportunity for high-return investment, others view it as too risky. Another downside is the potential for misuse. The anonymity of transactions can make cryptocurrencies attractive for a host of illegal activities, including money laundering, tax evasion, and the purchase of illegal goods. Cryptocurrencies are also susceptible to theft. If your private key is stolen, the thief could transfer all your cryptocurrency to their own account. And since transactions are irreversible, there would be no way to get your money back. Lastly, the lack of regulation and the relative novelty of the technology mean that cryptocurrencies can be somewhat of a Wild West. There are fewer protections for investors compared to traditional financial markets. The benefits of cryptocurrency are considerable, but it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. So as we venture into this new frontier of digital currency, it's important to tread with caution, be informed, and make smart, safe decisions. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Well, we're standing on the brink of a digital revolution. Cryptocurrency, with its decentralization, security, and transparency, is poised to transform not just finance, but a whole host of sectors. Imagine a world where real estate transactions are completed in seconds, with no intermediaries, or where artists can sell their work directly to fans, getting the full value of their creativity. But it's not just about individual transactions. Cryptocurrencies could reshape entire economies. We're seeing countries like Estonia experiment with digital currencies at a national level. This could lead to more efficient, transparent economies, breaking down barriers and empowering individuals. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There will be challenges, regulatory, technical, and societal. But with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation. The future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, unpredictable, and utterly exciting. It's a brave new world, and we're just at the beginning. The future of cryptocurrency is bright, promising a revolution in how we handle money. Ready to embark on your cryptocurrency journey? It's essential to stay informed and updated. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and constantly evolving. Research is your best friend. Understanding the intricacies, keeping up with the latest trends, and making informed decisions are the keys to successful crypto trading. It's not just about investing, it's about understanding the future of money. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Welcome to the future of money.